today me and Robbie are going head to head to see who can make the best protein-packed, macro-friendly dessert.
I've got one coming up that is definitely sneaky. You won't even really be able to tell the ingredients when it's done, but it does fit the bill.
I hope that's true because I saw the ingredients and I'm a little suspicious. So we're gonna find out.
We're up first with our macro-friendly desserts. So mine is actually a favorite of mine because it is deceptively good for you in the dessert department, and what is in it is like definitely deceptive. So we're making chocolate mousse, avocado chocolate mousse. Now before you throw up your emojis, just stay with me here because you won't even know that there's any avocado in it. So we're gonna go in with our sugar-free syrup. Probably about half a cup worth. We're making quite a bit here. We're gonna go in with some cocoa powder. And then to get our protein in, we're gonna add our level 1 milk chocolate protein. Gonna do a half a scoop. We're gonna put that on, we're gonna blend it up. So it's important to blend it first, like this. I'm using a blender, but this is best done in a food processor. We're gonna blend it on low. And it doesn't take very long. You don't have to do it for forever, but it really looks like chocolate ganache in the bottom of there. Now it's super loose right now. It's almost like the consistency of brownie batter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our avocado. So we're gonna go halfway through, give them a twist. And if your avocados for this recipe have a little blemish in them, not a big deal because we're making it chocolate anyway. So if it's a little bit brown is fine. You want ripe avocados for this. If the avocados are at all not ripe for this recipe, it's gonna come out, you're gonna have little green specks in it. It's not gonna do what you want it to do. We're gonna spoon in our avocado. All right. We got our avocado into the blender now. So we're gonna go ahead, now we're gonna blend our avocados into this. This is gonna be one of those things where you have to spread it down a few times. We're gonna get all the pieces of avocado down into it so it blends up all nice and even. Sometimes, you know, depending on how things mix up, it needs to be a little bit sweeter. So we're gonna add a little bit of our homemade vanilla extract, a little bit more of our syrup, some more of our special dark cocoa powder, and just a pinch of salt. And the salt is gonna kind of bring out those sweet flavors a little bit, make them taste more sweet. Here we go. I love that feature that you hit the release button and it stops spinning. Yeah, there we go. So you can go right into your dish and serve this. Our chocolate avocado mousse, and this would go great. We're gonna plate it up with some fresh berries, maybe even some grated chocolate, but you can add in those mix-ins or those toppings if you like it. But really, I mean, look at that. You can't even tell that it's got avocados in it. Flavor-wise, you can't even tell either. So I don't know what Jenna's gonna make, but I think this is gonna stand up next to it.
Okay, you guys, so for mine, this is gonna go quick. We're making a no-bake cheesecake. We're going to start with a vanilla Greek yogurt. In here is 20 grams of protein, so we are really kicking it off strong with a huge protein boost. We're gonna add that to a bowl. Now, Greek yogurt's kind of loose, so you're gonna wanna stiffen it up just a little bit, and we're gonna do that with 1 ounce of room temperature cream cheese. Because this is so protein heavy and relatively low calorie, I go full fat with that cream cheese. Now, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free cheesecake flavored pudding mix. This is a secret weapon in desserts, especially for low sugar, low calorie. It adds a lot of flavor, it adds a great thicker, creamy texture, and I added everything in the kitchen. Now, for an even bigger protein boost, we're gonna come in with about a half a scoop of First Phorm's Pumpkin Spice Latte Level 1. All we're gonna do is give this a big old mix And then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla once we kind of get this going. That's optional, but since we're in here and we're trying to beat Robbie, I think I'm gonna beef it up just a little bit. This mix is pretty easy, and you guys can see that really pretty, just light orange flavor, so you have a little idea of what it is, but so cute. Now, we're gonna add a big dollop of that to a pre-made little graham cracker crust. This is great for date night too, like if you're trying to stick to your goals and have a little something special with your swole mate, this is the one you're gonna wanna make. And you could stick this whole bowl in your fridge and snack on it too. I wouldn't judge you for that. Look at that, just that quick. I'm gonna top this with a little bit toasted pecans. Me and Robbie had this discussion earlier. He says pecans, he's a little fancier than me. And from the South, we're saying pecans. And it's just that simple, you guys. Dessert for 2 or 1, again, I'm not judging. You're ready to go. Keep these in the fridge for about an hour and they're gonna stiffen up just a little bit, or you can eat it just like it is. And there you have it, we did it.
Oh, it looks adorable.
Look at us.
It looks adorable. So you wanna go ahead and taste? How are we doing this?
I'm impressed just by the way it looks.
Yeah.
Not that I didn't have faith in you, but let's see what we got going on.
I'm a crust guy when it comes to graham cracker.
Robbie, you did it again. I would never guess that's avocado. Tastes healthy, there's like a healthy note to it. It's not heavy like traditional like chocolate pudding would be, but it's got all the right flavors.
You had me a graham cracker crust. It's delicious.
This is really good.
You wanna do that thing we do at the end of every one of these?
The thing where you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below,
and you hit the bell for post notifications?
that's the thing.
That thing?
That thing, so you can stay up to date on all the new fail-proof
That
episodes.
thing.
That's a cool thing to do.
Exactly, yeah. Next time we should do that thing.
We should. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye, guys.